towel na?
Yes, for the beach. In Brisbane.
Brisbane na. Bongga. Tingnan nyo, very colorful ang kanilang beach towel.
Wow. I like it.
You like that one?
Oh, that's my favorite color here.
Oh, my gift card na. We'll see how much this is na. Visa. Oh, the value loaded to your card is... Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Where are we going?
The office.
We're going to the office. Celine is there. Hello, Celine. Hello, Celine.
His boss.
Yes, I'm going to see my boss. Magpapaalam na tayo sa ating boss. So, diba last time pumunta kami sa Christmas party and I said bye to my colleagues. But hindi talaga kami nakapag-usap ng kinakapag-usap at hindi kami nakapag-usap ng boss ko. So, today is, pupunta kami. At hindi naman malayo yung office namin, diba? So, it's only 10 minutes. Literally 10 minutes away from here. So, it's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. And, dadalhin ko yung mga kiddos. Kasi sabi naman niya, just bring the kids, sabi niya. So, alam niyo yun. Parang lang, coffee. And, alam niyo, sobrang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog. Like, it's been a long time talaga hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang na-busy na si Mami niyo sa packing and everything kasi di ba mag-move na tayo very soon. So ang dami nang nangyari, sobrang dami na talagang nangyari sa hindi ako nakapag-vlog, guys. So na-pick up na yung ating boxes for Philippines, yung dalawang boxes bukas pipick upin. And then, ano pa ba? Binagyuhan na yung family ko sa Pilipinas. Oh my God, that's heartbreaking. But yeah, nakita niyo naman siguro yung in-upload ko na video na sinend sa akin ng sister ko. It's unbelievable, guys. But I'm just very happy that everyone is safe and everyone is, healthy. Hindi nasaktan yung family ko, yung mga material na bagay. It's replaceable. One day, makikita din natin yung pera na mabibili natin ng washing machine, ng ref, ng TV, yung mga ganun.
A few moments later.
Ayan, guys, time check tayo. It's 12:07 ng hapon and kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng bahay. So, we did have a good time catching up with my boss and nakapagpaalam tayo and yeah, he was very nice, very sweet. Sabi niya, thank you for all the support for the last 6 years. I'm so excited for you guys. This is a great opportunity for the family na mag-move ng Queensland. He said, obviously I am sad that you won't be here anymore like in the office, but so happy for you guys. So there you go. Regarding work, yun na nga sabi niya, we still have enough time, guys, because I'm taking the whole 12 months off, so I'm not going back to work until July next year. Sabi niya, let's just talk again and with the team in Sydney pagdating ng July and see what we can do, kasi nga yun yung sabi ko, diba? I didn't resign. Yung sinabi ko lang sa kanila is that with my current situation, yung kaya ko lang gawin is, I think 2 days a week and working remotely, so it means working from home, so hindi ko kailangan pumunta ng office. So we'll see if the company can accommodate that. We'll see pagdating ng July, kasi sabi ko we'll just cross the bridge when we get there, kasi at the moment we still have lots of things on our plate. Sabi pa, sobrang pang daming gawin. Tingnan niyo, gusto nang lumabas, may isa pang paayak-ayak dyan. So what's wrong? What did you have, Nak? What did Bryce get you? What did Bryce get you?
He got me a cookie.
Cookie?
Chocolate cookie.
Chocolate cookie and?
Juice.
Juice. Which juice?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. Ay, gosh, ilalabas ko muna to sila, guys. Oh. Kasi paiyak-iyak na. Meron pa tayong gagawin. Naku, pipick upin ko lang sana si Daddy Mike tapos aalis kami. Pero paiyak-iyak eh. So, padedi ko muna tapos aalis kami ulit. Kasi may mga may mga gagawin pa tayo. Time check! It's 1:36 ng hapon. Oop! Pakita ko talaga sa inyo ang time. 1:36. Ayan. So, everyone is here. Tingnan nyo ang dalawa ko. Chilling. Ayan. Pag-isipan ko na i-open tong box natin. So, natanggap ko to siya 2 days ago. And this is from my work. So, sweet nila, guys. So, ito yung pamasko nila para sa akin, para sa family. Ayan. So, every year talaga, pinapadalhan nila kami ng ganito. Like, you know, Christmas gift. Ganyan. So, I'm not sure kung anong laman nito. So, we'll open it together. Hindi ko siya na-open 2 days ago nung pagdarating nito. Kasi nga, guys, seriously, we've got boxes everywhere. As you can see, dito pang LBC box natin. And then, yung Christmas tree natin, tinayo natin kahapon. Kasi, gustong-gusto talaga niyang may Christmas tree. So, kahit na soon ay kukunin din namin yan, itatapon din yan, okay lang. Basta, ayan na yung mga gifts niya sa baba, oh. Pero sa Christmas pa yan, pwede i-open. Hindi yan siya i-open ngayon. So, gusto kong share sa inyo din kung ano yung laman ng box natin from my company. My company talaga, aking kumpanya. Kumpanya na pinagtatrabahuan ko. Ganun. Nak! Are you excited, Nak? So, ito yung box, guys. Oh. Medyo malaki siya. Ay! May bubble wrap! We have bubble wrap for Christmas. What's this? I can play with it. Ay! May papel! Hala! Ito yung regalo nila, guys. Papel. Na-frank ba tayo? Sa frank? Hindi, ito na. Ito na talaga ang katotohanan. Ah, nasa loob ng isang packbag. Ah, buti na lang inopen ko to ngayon ba kasi ilalagay ko to sa box, ang packbag. Malok na. Wow. Ah, picnic cooler backpack. Ah, cooler pala to siya. Sunny Life. Ooh, what is this, Celine? What's this one, Baba? First one dito sa gilid.
Drink.
Ah, premium. I don't know how to read that one. Tasmania. Careful, anak. Babysitting mo. Get her. So, wine. You drink wine na? Careful, ha. Just leave it there.
I don't want it.
Ilalagay ko yan sila sa box. Kasi hindi naman ako mainom.
Why can we see what's in it?
Hang on. What's this one?
Then open it up.
Oh, open it up. What's inside?
I don't know.
We've come a long way since we launched at Bondi Market, so we appreciate everyone who's been along for the journey. Ah, towel. Ah, beach towel. Beach towel, no. Beach towel, na.
Yes, for the beach. In Brisbane.
Brisbane na. Ah, bongga. Tingnan nyo, very colorful ang kanilang beach towel.
Wow. I like it.
You like that one?
Oh, that's my favorite color here.
Oh, wow. Okay, what's inside this
Mike,
one?
can I open it?
Okay, you open that. Grabe guys, sobrang messy dito sa loob ng bahay. Kasi mga boxes ba? Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog for how many days. Kasi sobrang busy guys. What's this one? Oh, mini travel sounds. Ah, tingnan nyo oh. Ganyan siya. Pa siyang speaker. Ah, ilalagay ko rin to siya sa box para sa Pilipinas. Huh? Oh, there's a card. That's very nice.
I mean, tell it, but
See, hindi naman namin ito magagamit dito, guys. My brother, my little brother. Oh, shush, ano?
Tell it, what does it say?
Ay, shush, ano? Oh, here's your toy. Here you go. Ah, this is a card from the company. Marry everything and anything. Marry everything and anything. That's so cute.
That's another one. Look.
Hang on, I'm gonna read it. What's this one? Oh, there's a gift card. Wow, bongga sila eh. 2021 has been a challenging year on many fronts, but the sector team in Australia has done an outstanding job. As we now look towards 2022, we are in a fantastic position thanks to the hard work and persistence of everyone. Our opportunities to see each other have been limited in recent times, and I am looking forward to the opportunity to catch up in person soon. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy time with the family and friends along with these gifts. Wishing you and family a safe, healthy, and restful festive season. Cam. Ito yung general manager. So sweet, di ba guys? Kasi, although, kahit naka-maternity leave ako guys, technically, I'm still, employed. Kaya, part pa rin ako ng kumpanya. Kaya nakakatanggap ako ng mga ganito. Oh, my gift card na. We'll see how much this is na. Visa. Oh, the value loaded to your card is $100.
I see. Mommy, I'll take that.
Yeah, may $100 tayo guys. So, diba, bongga talaga tong aking kumpanya guys. So, thank you. Ah, ito lang pala guys. Wala pala siyang set talaga siya. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Look.
Yeah, I know, hun, girl. My plate, my baso, and forks, knives, and spoons. Ayan, pang picnic talaga siya pala. Kaya pala. Ewan ko pang bagong rito. I asked Daddy Mike kung see if he wants it. Kasi cooler din to siya ba? Maganda din to siya. This is it. Thank you. Thank you, Sector. Bait talaga ng kumpanya ko, guys. Kaya, very talaga ako sa kanila ba. Like, I love working for them. Super thoughtful pa. May mga ganyan po. Cards. Ay, Ito, ilalagay ko na ito sa box mamaya. So, we'll organize this one later. Kasi may lalakarin pa tayo. At hindi Mike ay nasa kwarto. And this one will go sleep soon. Grabe guys, sobrang busy talaga guys. Uy, daming kailangan gawin. Kailangan na namin umalis dito next week. So, we have to, make sure everything is out. Nak, where's the anak? Where's the gift card? Where's the Santa?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't have money.
Huh?
Sorry, I don't have it.
You don't have it? Okay, I'll find it. Ceiling. Are you right there, anak? Are you right there? Okay, sabi. I love you, sweetheart. Back in the car, people. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Ayan, kasama na namin si Daddy Mike this time. So, may pupuntahan tayo. So, remember this jumper. Ayan. So, how many times ko nang pinagtangkaang ipa-dry clean ito. Kaya lang, yung pinupuntahan kong dry cleaner, sabi, kailangan daw ng special na machine for this. Where's Nico? What's going on? Just hold it, please. Yung batang ito ayaw kumain ng banana. So, may tinawagan ako kanina na isang dry cleaning place and sabi niya, magagawa daw niya to. Alam daw niya. So, we'll take it there para malinisan na ite.
Daddy?
Can you just hang it there above on your side, please? Ayan. Andito pala ating Daddy Mike. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello. Yes. Good gal.
And then, after that, may i-drop ako ito niyo. May i-drop ako. So, nabenta ko na naman to siya online. And then, sabi niya, ipapadrop daw niya sa kanila. Nagbayad daw siya ng extra. So, yung ating wallets. So, yan yung gagawin natin. Ready, steady?
Go.
Ready, steady?
Go.
A few moments later.
Siling, bahay ulit kami. Ang tungdudung. Ay, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're so cute, full of charm. D, you're a darling, and E, you're exciting, and F, you're a feather in my arms. G, you're so good to me. H, you're so heavenly. I, you're the one I idolize. J, we're like Jack and Jill. K, you're so kissable. L, your love lights in my eyes. M, N, O, P, I could go on all day. Q, R, S, T, alphabetically speaking, you're okay. You make my life complete. V means you're very sweet. W, X, Y, Z. It's fun to wander through the alphabet with you, to tell you what you mean to me. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang suot, oh. Ay, naka-backless. Because it's looking glorious outside. Tingnan niyo. Hindi nga lang glorious yung ano dyan, oh. Cobweb sa labas. But, yung cleaner na hinire namin, we asked them to clean the outside part as well. Hindi lang yung sa loob. Kasi sa labas naman yan, guys, oh. Yung mga cobwebs. Nak na! So, hindi pa ako tapos dito sa isa pang box. Last na lang to siya, guys. Ayan. So, yan nilagay ko, oh. Tapos, itong mga damit ni Daddy Mike para ma-close ko na to. Kasi pipick upin na to bukas. Hindi ko pa nga to siya na-tape, oh, dito, oh. What's wrong, my love? Tapos, itong mga damit ni Daddy Mike na pang winter, yung mga ganun. So, sinisegregate ko kasi si Ate Ann at si Kuya Noel. Pupunta sila dito mamayang hapon. Ibibigay ko kay Kuya Noel yung ito siya. Ayan, oh, this one is from Uniqlo. Pero hindi naman ito masusuot ni Daddy Mike doon sa burst bin. So, ibibigay namin yan. Hindi yung bag. Yung coat na yan kay Kuya Noel. So, what's wrong, anak? What's going on? Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. Did you poo-poo? Okay, we'll change the nappy. Change the nappy, okay? Mama will change the nappy. Have a look. Banana! Good girl. Ating Ate Paris ay nandito. What are you eating there, my love? What is that?
One of the candy. Hi, give me that.
What is it?
It's a cookie, like you want over there.
Okay.
Behind you, there. That one.
Okay. It's yummy. And ito pa, oh. Pagpasensyahan na guys. Ito, binili ko to siya kahapon. Kasi, para sa mga, mga plato, ganun, bubble wrap. Ito pa yung mga boxes namin. Ito, nilagay ko na dito, ayan. Ito yung mga pang-work ni Daddy Mike ba? Kasi si Kuya Noel kasi, nagsisimba sila, ganun. At, yun, magagamit nito siya sa ayan. Hindi ko, ewan ko kung masusuot dito sa Pilipinas, kaya ibigay ko na lang kay Kuya Noel yung mga ganito, oh. Diba? Tapos, ito, bonggang-bonggang pang winter talaga. Ayun. Sino naman magsusuot nitong my fur? Sa Pilipinas, diba? So, bigay natin yan kay Kuya Noel. Tapos, ito. Ayan. At ang ating Daddy Mike ay nandun ang huhugas ng pinggan. Hi, everyone! Hello!
Hi! Welcome to my vlog.
7 o'clock ng gabi, pero tingnan niyo, oh. Taas pa ng araw. Picnic!
8 o'clock
At the
siguro
park. Meron kaming pizza, drinks. Bumili si Ate Ann ng saan na, ti? Imong gipalit, ti? Sudan?
pork binagoongan.
Oh, lami na, ti.
and
Chicken.
chicken.
It looks like the same yan, no? Ang tulo ba? Parira na sila og kuan kay.
Kanang
Same color.
spices, ay mga spices gamit.
Ooh, strawberries.
Strawberries.
Playing well. It's funny, man, when I watch, like I said,
Yummy.
I was thinking,
The little one is here. Kain muna kami guys ha, kasi gutom na si mami. Ay, ang dilim. Ay! Hello, Baba. What would you like?
Australian style,
What would you like, Nana?
in the US, it's more
Medyo
effective,
warm pa
man.
kasi,
Like,
guys.
that's why in the Olympics,
Kaya,
the other
kain
teams
muna.
are
Alin na, do you want rice na? Layas sa puning saw. Balik tili.
They play like teams, you know what I mean?
Do you want rice?
Whereas the Americans won't isolate.
Sige, next take on siya strawberry.
Australian or
Ah,
like
pizza na
European
ko?
style,
You want
they
pizza?
move the ball quickly.
Pizza.
They don't care about, like, it doesn't matter, like, you don't pass to your best player every
Last
possession.
time, man to.
Pass to whoever's in the best position.
Tingnan nyo guys, namin kutsara. Tinidor. Pang kuan, pang
Yeah.
birthday.
Reads the play really well.
I want to have this plate.
Okay, you can have that plate. You wanna put rice?
When he was dropped,
Yeah.
I reckon.
I can give me one of the orange ones.
No, we have to eat first before we can drink.
Yes.
One like this one, mommy.
Tiling ko dahil sa kilid di oh. Uy,
Dili ko dapit kay magkita sa
Ay, hindi ko magtalo di. Uy, char lang good.
Lamelo when he played in the. Well, I went to go watch Lamelo in NBL.
Ah,
It's not that
yummy,
good, right?
yummy.
Because
Oh, diba?
he's playing
Bongga
like
ang aming.
American style
Meron pang
in
kasama.
Australian
Kasama
it
cake.
doesn't matter, man, because like
Paris, look at me.
on defense,
Nakput
you'll
there.
do nothing because some people they get really stressed and depressed.
Yeah, for 2 hours.
Yeah, for
It's like it's really different. So when you learn
Sleepy
your
na yung
body,
baby
that's when
natin,
you
no?
need to, like, I guess devise a plan which is
Tingnan niyo.
good for your physique.
Yan.
The fact that
Ubus na rin.
pizza lagi ko ni Paris.
Naambutan tayo. Lisod ka na baka nante.
the fact that you like
Nana!
really what I would be doing is I would
No,
continue to do that because you never want to
So, say hi sa imong kaante. Imong makagupa sa bugo.
or white. If you're
Hello
putting
mga
muscle,
kabuguhan nun.
it's a
Laban lang ta mga kabuguhan.
I would do what you're
Laban sa
doing.
baho. Laban sa ba.
This is a very
Balik-balik
quick,
yun yung iluad diri. Litso na
and
nga.
look at boosting your protein.
Ano, wala ba ka? Malagi lang ikuan ang ganti no?
And then, yeah,
Kanang,
training.
ano tawag natin?
Every day.
Balahibo.
Lahibo?
Strict training every day.
Ba naka parlor.
There's all different types.
Paris. Mahal siguro kayo bayad
styles
dito
of
ba?
training. I don't think it's really
Grooming, dog grooming.
Nabi ka ng mga anak ang gasusuri bitaw ng mga ban bitaw mga usok ang pa.
Don't worry about too much about
Ate Paris is there, oh.
stuff like this, like
Mm-hmm.
doing like high tempo workouts. Just
They're going home now. Biyans Paris, kaluoy.
Wala siya kadula.
lift, man.
Wala kadula ang
I'd lift if I was you.
Agpas na lagi dako nak. Kaya magdula mo ni
What
ate.
about doing cardio, man?
Ang kadula si ate.
Pag uli lagi danigikan sa ospital ti ah. Sa ati gawas niya madulaan tanan ti. Abi man yung pwede na magdula dito.
Asin.
Na dili sa point sa gamay kay siya abi magdula diri sa ko nak. Daghan pa kay nagbugas ka nung nak.
I'll play with my friend.
What's her name?
Dad's friend.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Princess.
I'll play with him.
What's her name?
I did.
You have no idea.
You did ask?
Yeah, I forgot. I'll ask them later.
Oh,
Later.
Thank you for the first.
Tapos na ang aming picnic. Bit-bit na sa paano. Hugason. Celine is here. Celine's bedtime now. She's gonna go sleep soon. Nana! Well done, Baba, for staying awake. Ate Paris! What's that? Sticks!
Yeah. Look it from there.
Yeah. Ayan. Nabigay ko na kinatian yung mga damit guys na pang winter. Come quick, quick! Get your shoes! Kasi wala nang magsuot noon ba. So since dito lang naman sila sa sa Melbourne. Gamit na gamit nila yun. Yeah! Yeah! Oh gosh! You can do it, anak.
My feet help, I can't.
Uy, ginauko bataan ni mo. Ay,
Easy.
Okay?
Yes, Becca.
Yan. Tapos, you're welcome, my love. Tapos, si Daddy Mike, kinausap din niya si Kuya Noel. Kasi yung mga,
Mommy.
ang tawag dito,
Mommy.
gamit ni Daddy Mike sa gym. Yung mga punching bag niya and everything. Kasi, ewan ko guys, wala na akong time mag-picture. Tapos, ibenta ba? Sabi ni Daddy Mike, bigay na lang siguro niya kay Kuya Noel yung mga gym equipment niya. Kasi yung treadmill lang yung dadalhin namin sa Brisbane ba.
What was Daddy and Tito doing?
I think they're gonna have a look at the car.
The car?
Yes, quick. The car. First time na ninyo nakakita na sa kinanti? Wala, kasukad nagkakita pag palit na mo na.
Sa imong video.
Video ra?
Nang ganina pag abot na nako nakakuha na ko nga mama gyud di kay ang seat ka ang car seat ba sa likod.
Ah.
Kumam gyud gasling kun lingkuran ni Paris.
Yeah, ganahan ko sa shape.
No.
Niya.
Bakit ako 7-seater sa dili de?